You know, most people never make money from their knowledge. And part of the reason is that they don't finish stuff, they don't really do stuff. August 3rd, I started this YouTube channel. And August 3rd, I started writing my book for this YouTube channel. And August 3rd, September 3rd, I finished the book by October, sometime mid-month, midway of October. So I started a YouTube channel. I started talking about the book. I wrote the book, and I started selling the book toward the end of October and made $600. Now, the average person, this is kind of crazy. The average person will start a book and never finish it. So one of the things that I'm getting ready to do is offer this services of, and this would be for how-to books. If you have knowledge about a certain topic that you have knowledge, we're going to make you an instant expert. This is one of the things that I learned a long time ago. Whenever you write a book, you become an instant expert in that topic. And this opens up all kinds of doors because I wrote that book, I started to get speaking engagements, not paid speaking engagements, but I started to speak and do conversations about business, about the storage auction business. And what I'm getting ready to do, and this is going to be the offer, in the next 30 to 60 days, write your how-to book, start a YouTube channel. Let's go ahead. We're going to write the book, and this is going to involve talking to you and getting talking points, because I don't really know what your book's going to be about until I actually talk to you. So that's going to be part of the service. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to talk about, okay, today's Startup Lab training is going to be about getting started. This is one of the biggest barriers to people being successful. So today, the link's below. You can show up at 3 p.m. and we'll talk about you getting started. That's what the training is going to be about today. Setting up your book and getting your book published. Then we're going to set up your YouTube channel. We're going to do the back. Now, let me be really careful. You will have to do the YouTube videos, right? But we will set it up correctly, because this is one of the things I consistently see. People will start a YouTube channel and it will not be set up correctly. So we'll do the keyword research. Now, search on YouTube is officially dead. Search doesn't work like it used to be. Like, you can make a video that was heavily searched and it would do really well on YouTube. That's not the case now. YouTube pushes certain videos and certain videos it doesn't push. I did a live training about that last night, talking about the first 30 seconds of your video. So write the book, position your YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is really important for you to actually get targeted traffic. And let's talk about this. I'll explain something I was thinking about doing, but after doing the analysis, it's just not going to work out. Targeted traffic. When you do a YouTube channel speaking about a specific topic, you pull people in who self-select and are targeted for that particular topic, which is incredibly important. Let me explain something I was thinking about doing, but after doing the research, it doesn't make sense. I was going to teach real estate agents how to do YouTube, right? But before, I called a few real estate agents that I knew, and they were not interested. They didn't want to do social media. They were not interested. And we didn't even get into the sales pitch. And then I did some research, and I saw that there's real estate agents who are using YouTube. One who used to be really successful with it, she hasn't posted a video in 5 months. So it tells me that the high interest rates in the market have directly impacted real estate agents. The real estate agents I talked to said last year was very slow for them. And it's all because of these interest rates. Because if you were someone who bought a house in like 2012 to about 2020, you have a low interest rate. And for you to sell your house and to lose that low interest rate means if you buy another house, you would have to have a very high interest rate. And then these interest rates are pushing up property taxes. They're pushing up insurance premiums. So if you have a house with a low interest rate, unless you absolutely have to sell, most folks are just not going to sell. So this is one of the reasons the market is slow. So I did all this analysis before I even started to actually push the offer, because here's the thing: marketplace. Marketplace dictates everything. And I've had a few people reach out, like someone who does wing sauce. And this is one of the things. And from a sales standpoint, the more information as a salesman you have, the better off you are, right? Typically, it's like pulling teeth, getting important information out of people, because people just don't want to talk. But like, I just literally I did the evaluation of starting the business, because if this was a healthy, vibrant real estate market, the YouTube teaching real estate agents how to do YouTube properly would have been a nice little business. But right now, I just think that there's some real estate agents who are interested in doing YouTube, but the reality is, just from a marketplace, I don't think that's a good business. Now, why am I telling you all that? I'm telling you that because you need to stay in your lane. And this is something that's really my lane: writing books, creating YouTube channels, creating content, creating online. This is my lane. So the offer is, I will write your book for you. Now, that's going to be, a ghostwriter. I think it's called it is called ghostwriting. So whatever topic interest you have, and we'll have to really look at it, and we'll have to look at the marketplace. But typically there are many, many people who want to write a book, will start writing a book, and because they don't know how to write a book, the book doesn't get done. So that's one of the biggest issues. But I'll tell you, if you write a book and become an instant celebrity, an instant, what is it called? What's it called? Become an instant expert in your topic. This book can open up speaking engagements, or if you're selling something, and this is really huge. Let's say you're selling something and you have a book that you can send to your leads. Game changer. How many of your competitors have a book that they can send to their leads? That's a game changer. That's an instant game changer. Because if you're selling something that, let's say you're selling AI systems, right? And you've written a book about how to develop AI systems. I mean, many people feel that, if you give people a book teaching people how to do it, that they will read the book and do it themselves. It's not true. The reality is, if you go ahead and you have a book that teaches people how to do something, and they see that you're an expert, many people will hire you to do that thing. So the book can get you speaking engagements, the books can get you customers, the books can get you new clients. There's a lot of things a book can do. So one of the things that will happen, the first thing is we get the book done, and there's a lot of little stuff about writing a book that, your ISBN number. That's one of the things that you have to get when you write a book, to put it on Amazon, to put it someplace. Also, do you want to actually print it up as a hardcover, a soft cover, as an ebook? There's a different methodology for doing each one of those. So all of that stuff I'll cover. I'll cover the publishing, the writing of the book, the publishing of the book, getting the ISBN number, all of that stuff. I'll cover that. Then we will set up your YouTube channel correctly. Now, this is really key. I don't have any of my new books on Amazon yet. I got to take some time because they've changed up how you put books on Amazon. Back in the day, you had something called Create Space. They've changed it. So I'll get off into that and I'll start putting my books on Amazon really, really quickly. Now, this whole process of writing a book, if you think Steve Harvey's book, Think Like a Man, Act Like a Lady, I forget the name of it, but I actually knew her name was Denise Miller, I believe. She actually ghost wrote that book. But a book, and many people are like, with the TikTok, let's go ahead and break it down. Let's talk about TikTok. If you start a YouTube channel, do not do shorts on your main YouTube channel. What you want to do is create a shorts channel and a long form channel, because the audiences are very, very different. The short audience will not watch your long form content. You could literally, to get the short audience to watch your long form content, you'll have to create 30 to 40 shorts and point them to one piece of long form content to get views. That's how much work you would have to do to get your shorts audience to watch your long form content. That's why TikTok has taken off. The audience that's on TikTok is much different than the audience who watches YouTube long form. And that's stuff we'll talk about with you in the YouTube training. But one of the things that you will have to understand is there's different layers to setting up your business. Writing a book, doing the YouTube channel, having the right videos, all of this stuff. This will be covered in this offer, and we'll set this up so you can actually, if I had this information, it was a different time when I wrote my first book. YouTube was different. The economy was different. And this is something else too. The economy was bad when I started my YouTube channel, and the economy was bad when I wrote my first book, and that book went on to make millions of dollars. So by creating a different type of influence point, having a book, having a YouTube channel, even having a blog, we may actually go ahead and set up a blog for you depending upon what your knowledge base is. Because that's the key. Your knowledge base literally drives everything. So your knowledge base is the key component to you being successful with your knowledge base. Because who would have thought? I wrote the book about storage auctions, and I did not know. I wrote the book, I had it done 14 months before Storage Wars, and there was another show, Auction Hunters, and all those shows came on. Who knew that I wrote a book before the marketplace shifted and it exploded? And then when Storage Wars went on and people went to Google and they Googled storage auctions, who did they find? They found my blog, urbanpackrat.com. They found my book. I literally had the market to myself for about 2 years. Then other people started to get into it because they saw it was a profitable market. So it really just depends upon your knowledge base. And I'm going to put a write-up below for you guys who are interested in having a book written for your knowledge base and a book put out. Because this is one of the things that will literally set you apart from your competition. Because, rest in peace, Alan. Alan says something, if you were going to become a dating coach and you didn't have a book, that made you inauthentic. And I agree with him. Because if you're going to become a coach and do people, you need to have books. A book or multiple books. You need to have books. And the book is kind of like a signal that, hey, I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about, to the point that I wrote a book about it. That's a heavy influence signal. So for those of you who want to become more established, instant experts in your field, writing a book and creating a book will be the game changer for you. And this is the thing. A lot of people don't understand that Amazon makes, I would say, billions per month selling books. So books still sell quite well. And if you write a best-selling book, that's a game changer. And also, we'll be talking about your book. Now, part of the process is we will put the book on Amazon for exposure, but we will sell the book from your website for income, because this is, let me kind of walk you through what Amazon will do. And this is why I was selling my book for $99 on Amazon. With CreateSpace, they hit you up for the publishing of the book, right? So that comes out of the fee. The publishing of the book, I think Amazon was getting like $36, which is why I jacked up the price point, because if I had sold the book for like, say, $39.99, I would have made like $3 profit, because Amazon was getting all their fees out. But when I moved it up to $99, and this is something that's kind of funny. When I moved it up to $99, my sales actually increased. They actually increased, so it was really interesting. I have a book, and I'm gonna probably do some live training on that, called The Sales Guide, right? And this book literally I sell it for $99. And that book has sold more than my other books, because people wanna learn how to do sales. So that's probably gonna be one of the next trainings that we're gonna do. But essentially, putting together a book, I should say, because I've done it before, I put several books on Amazon. It's much easier for me to do that for you than you to do it yourself and figure it out, because I can tell you, you could spend months researching how to put your book up. And then the big thing is writing the book. That's the biggest issue. I got to the point where I could write a book really, really fast compared to most other people. So your book will be done in 30 to 60 days. And then we will work on your YouTube channel, and it's a coaching program, because I'm going to get on the phone, Zoom, and we're going to talk to you, and we're going to set all kinds of stuff up. But this is going to be something really, really different, really, really different, because right now I have some coaching that's going on that's going to be freed up. I need to talk about that. I'll send out that email a little later. But the coaching program that I've got going on, that's going to be finishing up the first week of April. And then I can go ahead and get some more coaching people into the system. So if you want to become an instant expert in your field, whatever you want to do, write a book or have a book that has your name on it. That's the key. So what we're going to do, and there's going to be 3 different levels. And let's see. Let's go ahead and let's talk about the levels. All right, so let's kind of go down. So we have the starter tier. We give you a book. There's 25,000 words, YouTube channel set up, and we give you 20 video titles and summaries. That's 3,500. And the professional tier, book, 30 to 35,000 words, deeper positioning, YouTube setup, 20 titles, 3 strategy sessions, content and offer direction. And the premium tier, everything in professional, advanced positioning, a book for product funnel, custom content strategy tied to sales, 6 private consulting sessions, guided on turning content and offers, courses, coachings, and all this other stuff. Now, this is one of the other things that I will do because I'm an expert. I'll set up your holding company, operating company, and get you, you'll have to get your EIN. I'll explain how you can do that. It takes just a few minutes. And then set up your corporate banking. So we'll include all of that in the packages. So if you want to actually become an instant expert and turn your knowledge, like who knew that storage auctions would become the thing that it did? So you never know. Maybe you could do a cooking book. It just really depends on where you are and what you want to talk about. So the offers below. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.